COVID was expensive, and forget politics. Okay. COVID costs money. This PPP money,
Mhm.
got to come from somewhere. You can't print money. If you do, you get wild inflation.
Right.
So it's coming out of somewhere. And so, are we going to have wild inflation? I'm not smart enough to know. I think we have some inflation. Are
Yep.
we going to have higher taxes? I'm not smart enough to know, but I know there's a lot of debate in this country about whether it goes up or not.
Mhm.
Whether taxes go up a little bit or a lot, I don't know, but I do think it impacts M&A activity.
Yep.
So if tax rates go up a lot and they're considered to go up a lot, but maybe they'll go down in 2 or 3 years,
Mhm.
then the 68-year-old seller will say, "Well, I don't want to pay more taxes. I'll keep doing this for a few more years, and when tax rates come down, I'll sell."
Mhm.
So my answer to your 2022 question is, the only thing I see driving up or down of M&A activity is a change in taxes. If
Mhm.
taxes go up a lot, there's a likelihood that some sellers will say, "I'm going to bet taxes come down in a couple of years, and I don't mind waiting."
Right.
That's the only thing that I'm seeing in my sort of jigsaw puzzle ahead of me that says things could change a little bit.